Ever wondered how to get those industrial DIN rail components neatly tucked into your standard server rack without it looking like a total disaster? This heavy-duty bracket from Digitus claims to bridge the gap between industrial automation and IT infrastructure in a way that feels almost too simple to be true. When first getting hands on the Digitus professional hat rail support, the immediate impression is one of sheer durability and industrial-grade build quality. We are talking about a solid piece of alloy steel, ranging from 1.5 to 2 millimeters in thickness. It feels incredibly rugged, finished in that classic light gray powder coating that blends perfectly into any professional data center or high-end home lab environment. This is not just a simple shelf. It is a dedicated 3U solution designed specifically for mounting top hat rail devices. The built-in rail measures 35 by 390 millimeters, providing ample room for a variety of components like industrial power supplies, circuit breakers, or even smart home controllers that usually live in an electrical cabinet rather than a server rack. One of the smartest design choices here is the rear side. Digitus included a specific opening for cable entry that measures 40 by 35 millimeters. This means there is no struggling to route wires around the edges or kinking cables just to get them connected. Plus, the addition of ventilation slits is a huge win. Industrial components can get surprisingly warm, and having that extra airflow ensures that gear stays cool even when the rack is packed. It is rare to find a piece of mounting hardware that feels this intentional. It solves a very specific problem for engineers and enthusiasts who need to mix different hardware standards. Instead of zip-tying components to a flat shelf, this support gives a secure, standardized mounting point that looks clean and professional. It transforms a chaotic mess of wires into a structured, easy-to-maintain system. For anyone looking to bring industrial-grade reliability into their 19-inch rack setup, this is an absolute essential. It is tough, well-ventilated, and makes cable management feel like a breeze rather than a chore. It is a rock-solid investment for a truly organized and professional rack.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.